Hi, good morning. My name is Sagar and I am from 𝗏𝗏 magazine. And at the Die and Mold Expo on the second day, we are at the booth of Idaka. I have with me very special guests, Mr. 𝗏𝗏 𝗠𝗢𝗏, who is heading Idaka in India, and Mitsuno-san, who is from Idaka, Japan. So thank you so much, gentlemen, and good morning to you. And thank you for your time speaking with 𝗏𝗏 magazine. Sir, what we would like to understand is what is the intention of Idaka to participate in the Die and Mold Expo, and since how long you have been participating in the Die and Mold Expo?
We are participating first time in this Die and Mold Expo. Idaka is 102 years old Japanese company. So we are dealing in machines and tools. The reason to participate in this Die and Mold exhibition is to exhibit the latest technology in the die and mold machining, especially for the grinding. And we have the different solutions. We have the cutting tools, we have the tool holders, we have the deburring tools. So everything, grinding machines. So everything we can offer to the solution. We offer the best solution from Japan in the die and mold industries for the Indian customers.
Mitsuno-san, when it comes to Japan, when it comes to technology from Japan, it is one of the best.
Right.
You know, Japanese technology and the German engineering, they are actually the benchmark of the global standards. They are of the global benchmarks. So, when you supply your products to the Indian market, what comes to your mind? Because India is a very sensitive market.
Okay. Yes, we see India as a emerging market, and since our customer is mostly the automotive related customers, so our customer transfer their lines to India, not in manufacture in Japan only. So we focusing on this market, and since our offices all over the world, located all over the world, not only in Japan, but as you see in these pictures, Europe, Vietnam, US. So we deliver not only the Japanese item, but item from the overseas.
So, when it comes to applications of these products in the Indian market, which are the industries, according to you, sir, who have a promising future, or who looks very much promising in the current geopolitical situation?
Our major customer, if you see, is from automobile industries. But as the automobile industry is also going through the changes. So EV market is there. So we are in the EV market. So we are in the electronic market also. We are offering the AOI machines, that is automatic optical inspection machines. We are going to offer the various, because the new segments are coming in India, like semiconductors. So we are also offering those type of solutions to the Indian industry, apart from this die and mold machine.
And any new products you have launched in this exhibition so far?
So if you consider this new product, we are offering this 𝗲𝗏 digital profile grinding machine. 𝗲𝗏 is the first one who is developed this digital profile grinding machines. So no other manufacturer has this machine.
And one item which is unique is this 𝗏𝗏.
Okay.
Maybe you can explain it. Maybe you can see the detail in the website. But that's the temperature control materials.
So you also launch products if there are some requirements from the Indian customers. So do you customize that products, or everything is like manufactured in Japan and supplied to India as it is where it is basis?
We don't do anything in here. We customize. Each customer has customized specs. So we hear those needs and customize in Japan.
So you were talking more about the 𝗏𝗏 technology.
Yeah,
that's right.
𝗏𝗏 is the really innovative product, and we are going through this global warming. So basically, this whatever the heat is generated inside, it converts into the radiation which is sent by the infrared to the outside of the space. So so this is very important for this and very innovative product. and we encourage people should use this because people are not aware of this.
Okay.
So
Yeah. Some message to the industry before we conclude?
message to the industry, I know Indian industry is very cost competitive industry, but at the same time, if you use the latest technology, maybe in the initial the cost will be higher, they feel the cost is very high, but in the long run they will be benefited, the quality will be best, there will not be any breakdowns or so, and if you see over the period the cost will be less.
Yeah.
So they should go for the latest technology.
Okay, latest technologies for the Indian industry. That's the message for you to the Indian industry. Okay, Mr. Nusan, your message to the Indian market, how do you see it in the next 1 or 2 years?
Next 1 or 2 years. As you can see, the other area, there's a Japan pavilions. We are distributor, not a manufacturer.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of Japanese technology, small companies who want to expand their business to the India. So it's, as a distributor, we can help we can help the customer to get whatever they need.
So with that, we conclude this. I wish you all the best for the forthcoming couple of days at the expo. So thank you for speaking with OEM Update, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.